BricsCAD BIM comes with a set of pre-installed classification systems. Let's organize the model by assigning some classification codes. To do so, open the BIM Properties dialog and click the Import button on the bottom left-hand side. Choose the classification system you want to import and click Open. By default, the classification system applies to all sorts of building elements. You can import multiple classification codes in the same model. Let's add one more classification system and click OK. Now select a building element and open the Properties panel. The imported classification system should now be displayed here. To assign a classification code to the building element, click the arrow button and choose the classification code in the drop-down list.